Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making shrimp cocktail. It's just like my ceviche, so if y'all haven't watched that, make sure y'all go watch that video. I haven't made this before, so it can't be that hard though. Anyway, before we get started, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much handle? Breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really to throw you up.
Alright y'all, so the first thing we're going to do is boil some water, and we're going to add a half of an onion, some garlic cloves, and the skin of the shrimp. Y'all can also add like a tomato, some celery, anything else to make it like flavorful. It's just like gonna be like a broth. Oh, my bad. We're also gonna add some bay leaves and some salt. Plenty of salt. We're gonna let this boil for about 10-15 minutes. Alright y'all, so we're gonna add our shrimp and we're gonna cook this for approximately 3 minutes, y'all. Just 3 minutes. While that's going, I'm gonna go ahead and put me some ice water in here so I can put my shrimp in ice bath when it's out. Alright y'all, so we're just gonna remove the shrimp and add it to this ice bath. Okay, so we're gonna add about 2 to 3 cups, depending on how much you're making, of that shrimp broth. Then we're gonna add some of this Jugo. I think that's how you say it. Then we're gonna add some tomato juice. Then we're gonna add some ketchup. We're gonna add some Tapatío. That's the point, y'all. It is a cocktail. Then we're just gonna add a whole bunch of lemon juice, maybe about like a half a cup.
I can't believe you're making a whole meal.
It's not a meal, it's a snack. Gotta give the people what they're asking for. I'm just playing, I asked for this.
What is it?
Shrimp cocktail, because I've been eating, I ate that shrimp cocktail the other day.
Oh, yeah.
I said, boy, I know I could make it better than this. And that's what happened. Now you just want to kind of give it a good little mix, because you can see the lime juice in there. Now we're going to add our cucumbers. Our jalapeños, our tomatoes, our onion. Same stuff we put in the ceviche, y'all, pretty much. cilantro. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna squeeze a half of an orange, or you could use orange pop. Some Worcestershire. That. Then I like mine spicy, so I'm gonna add a little bit more hot sauce. A little salt. Give it a mix. I'm gonna add the shrimp back in. This is a whole lot, and it's only just for me. Now we're gonna store it in the fridge for 30 minutes at the least, up to 2 hours. So then I'm just gonna take some shrimp pieces out and just put it on the side to make it look all pretty and whatnot. Just gonna make some slices like this, and we're just gonna take out a few pieces. This. Alright, y'all, so this is how it came out. It's a little bit sweeter than my ceviche, but I like it a lot, okay? The flavor is on point. Don't forget, y'all, the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.